Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Ford Territory, stock number 6567. This ran from the 4th 2011 to the 12th 2016. Has a SZ 2.7 litre 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a SZ 2.7 litre 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lift, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,